Okay. There's the little donkey. There's the little donkey. There's Dakota. Hi, Dakota. Hi. What do you think? You look like you've been fucking ridden recently or something. Hey. You look like you've been ridden recently or something. There's Spanky. There's Spanky. And there's my horse. There's the donkey. Hi, baby. Hi, pretty girl. What you doing? You're so pretty. You're so pretty. What do you think? You smell like a horse. You smell like a pretty horse. You smell like a pretty horse. There's Gretel's bitch ass. Hi, Gretel. What, Gretel? What's her problem? She's like, I'm eating. Fuck you. Well, fuck you too. Okay. I'm here for my horse anyway. What do you think, baby girl? What do you think? You're so pretty. Oh, you're a little muddy mess. You are a little muddy mess. You still got cream on though. She's so pretty. What do you think? What? Okay, there's little Spanky. I'm gonna go say hi to little Spanky. Hi, little Spanky. If Dakota doesn't run you off, maybe we can talk for a second. How you doing? What do you think? What do you think? How you doing lately? Are you doing good? Has it been raining a lot? Okay. Come on, donkey. Come on, little donkey. I bet you it'll come. Oh, fuck. One muddy walk later. Look at the donkey. What are you doing, Diva? What are you doing, Diva? Huh? What are you doing? Beep, 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 beep. She's like, don't fucking touch me. Don't fucking touch me, bruh. Oh, she's so mean. What are you doing over there? Titan. And now you want something to do with me, right? Who's that out there? Freckles? That's it? Just you and Freckles? And Charm? Hi! Could use some more water. But what do you think? Okay. Oh, there's little Vienna girl. She's such a good girl. Can you fucking see her? She's such a good girl. Okay. Let's go see what's up. I really just want to pick her feet out and brush her. I know Diva's gonna come out. Hurry up. Shit, I didn't get the hoof pick. He's not coming, so I don't have to I could just bring the whole fucking bag out there, which kind of makes more sense. Considering all the shit I want to do. And the fact that there's a robe in a bag. Just leave this there. Here's this bag. There's Diva. Hi, Diva. Oh, there's Donkey. There's a little donkey. Fuck. It's kind of muddy. There's the Clydesdales. There's the dog. Hi, Reggie. You bastard. What do you think, Vienna? Just like, I think I'm walking away. Oh, okay. Hi, baby. Gretel, you're a bitch. You're a bitch, Gretel. Okay. What do you think? Will you stand still? No. It's partly because of Gretel.